Ranbaxy, the big brother of Indian pharmaceutical sector that covers the major revenue portion of the sector in India. A pharma giant that has made significant impact in the US market, which is considered as the world's largest pharmaceuticals market. In its reign of 53 years so far, Ranbaxy has reached the level of exporting its products to 125 countries with ground operations in 43 countries and manufacturing facilities in 8 countries. This is all past and lost glory. Currently, Ranbaxy is facing severe problems both in the homeland and in the United States, which is Ranbaxy's biggest market. Supreme Court of India slapped notices to the pharma company in response to a public interest litigation filed by an advocate Sharma alleging the company of supplying degraded drugs. In his public interest litigation, Sharma alleged Ranbaxy was fined $500 million by the US Food and Drug Administration for making and selling adulterated drugs, and India is still continuing and permitting Ranbaxy to sell drugs in India, especially in the wake of the results of the US FDA probe against the company. But is this the first time Ranbaxy was cornered? Apparently, no is the answer. There were many times Ranbaxy was surrounded by controversies. The errors and unexpected carelessness in the production has led to these controversies. On 8th February 2012, 3 batches of the proton pump inhibitor pantoprazole were recalled in the Netherlands due to the presence of impurities. On 9th November 2012, Ranbaxy halted production and recalled 41 lots of atorvastatin due to glass particles being found in some bottles. Also in 2012, an apparent dosage mistake was reported in which 20 mg tablets were found in a bottle of atorvastatin labeled as containing 10 mg tablets. This led in 2014 to the voluntary recall in the United States of some 64,000 bottles. In May 2013, the US fined the company $500 million after it was found guilty of misrepresenting clinical generic drug data and selling adulterated drugs to the United States. In September 2013, further problems were reported, including apparent human hair in a tablet, oil spots in other tablets, toilet facilities without running water, and a failure to instruct employees to wash their hands after using the toilet. Ranbaxy is prohibited from manufacturing FDA-regulated drugs at the Mohali facility until the company complies with US drug manufacturing requirements. Ranbaxy halted drug ingredients shipment from Tuansa and Devas plants as these plants were banned by US FDA. And now Ranbaxy has been slapped notices by the Apex Court and a CBI inquiry is imminent according to the notice by the Supreme Court. But one thing is clear, that Ranbaxy has internally had set up a committee to investigate the current controversy. But is that enough in a current scenario is the main question which could be answered only by the time. Business Desk, DD News.